and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a two-strand infinity braid. So to start off, we're going to divide the hair into two sections, and then we're going to grab a small piece from the back of the left section. You want to make sure it's from the back, not the front, and we are going to wrap it around that section. And then underneath the right section, we're going to pull it all the way around. And then underneath the left and back around. And we're just going to keep wrapping it around each section by going underneath first. And then once you start getting towards the end of that small little strand, not too close to the end, because you don't want the hair to fall out. But when you start getting low on hair, you're going to grab another small piece from the back of the right section and you're going to add it to the, and then you're just going to keep wrapping. So the number of times you wrap that little strand of hair around the sections is really going to depend on the length of hair that you're working with. So now that that strand is getting short again, we are going to grab another small section from the back of the left section this time. You want to make sure when you're grabbing those little extra pieces, you are alternating which section you're grabbing them from, because if you keep grabbing them from the same section, that section is going to get smaller and your braid is going to be lopsided. Again, that strand's getting a little low, a little short, so we're going to grab another small piece from the back of the left section, and you're going to pull it around, under and around, under and around. Just keep repeating that process. And here we have the finished infinity braid. If y'all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.